Hello friends, today we will see how to create transaction types in AGIS module. So for that, first we need to log into Intercompany Superuser Responsibility and then navigate to Setup Transaction Types. This will open a web page. In order to see the existing transaction types, you can just click on, you need to enter the percentage and click on Go, which will give you the list of the existing transaction types available in the system. And if you want to create a new transaction type, click on create transaction type. There are two kinds of transaction type. One is the transaction type which will help us in creating subledger invoices, and the other transaction type is a transaction type which can directly generate journals under GL. So first we'll see uh, how to create a transaction type which will help us in creating a subledger invoices. So we'll use a naming convention as a intercompany subledger invoice, and you can copy the same value as the description. And for the code, which is a unique value, you can just use a intercompany sub INV. And invoicing required, you need to select it as required. And manual approval, if you want the approval process to be triggered for the intercompany transactions which are created using this particular transaction type, then you need to select the manual approval as required. Otherwise you can set it as not required and then click on apply. So your transaction type is created. You can just, yeah, so this is the transaction type which is created. And if you want to create a transaction type which does not require invoicing or the subledger invoices to be created, you can just use the naming convention, say intercompany journal. Okay, so here you need to set the invoicing as not required. And as far as the approval is concerned, again it's the same thing. Like if you want the approval to be triggered, select the manual approval as required, otherwise you can leave it as not required. Just click on apply. So this will create your transaction type. See, this is the transaction type which is created. And now when you are creating your AGIS intercompany transaction, you should be able to select this transaction type. So I can show that. So you can go to transactions, create, and in the transaction type drop down you should be able to see the two transaction types whatever we have created now. So we can just say intercompany, yeah, intercompany journal and intercompany subledger. Thanks guys, thanks for watching my video. Thank you.